following message is transmitted by the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At approximately 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it has been reported that NASA along with several space agencies have discovered a large, and potentially hazardous asteroid, that is about 6 miles wide, or 9.6 kilometers. NASA believes that this asteroid is not going to hit Earth, but is likely to pass extremely close to our planet on January 1, 2023. This asteroid was discovered today, around 12 p.m. on December 31, 2022. All residents receiving this message are advised to stay tuned for updates when they become available on this situation.
This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasts and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations remain on the air, providing news and information in the public and assigned areas. We'll continue to serve the Warner Robins, Georgia area. If you are not in the Warner Robins, Georgia area, or in this local area, tune into a station providing news for your local area. Don't use the telephone. Telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use to call 911 only. The emergency alert system has been activated.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Our world is unfortunately coming to an end today on January 1st, 2023. The asteroid that was discovered a few hours ago, on December 31st, 2022, known as asteroid 7777 PMB, is on a direct collision course with Earth. Since this asteroid is coming closer to Earth, there is absolutely nothing we can do to stop this asteroid from hitting Earth. There is absolutely no way to survive this catastrophic asteroid impact. NASA has tried its hardest to stop the asteroid, but all attempts to stop this asteroid have completely failed. All residents receiving this message are strongly advised and encouraged to gather with friends, family, pets, loved ones, grab someone you love, and enjoy your final 2 minutes before death. This asteroid will hit Earth at exactly 12:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time after the clock strikes 12 a.m. located at the annual Rockaway Ball Drop on January 1st, 2023. We will conclude the emergency alert system with one last final play of the U.S. National Anthem. This is David, signing off for the last and final time. See you all in heaven. Goodbye.